Good morning, everybody. It's Thursday, April 20th, I think. Thank you again and again and again for joining me. I really appreciate everybody following my adventures with art. I showed you last week that I started working on this longhorn, and I'm just about finished with it. I put in more clouds today, and I've had to bring the grass up 5 times, but I think I need to bring the ears up a little bit more and maybe put a little bit more light here, and I may make the sky just a tad lighter than what it is. That way it'll balance out with clouds. I'm not sure what I'm going to paint next. I think this bear in water, this grizzly bear. I have to readjust the ears and the face and everything, but I'm looking forward to it. And then after that, I think I'm going to do mountain lions. I think they're in my cards. So thanks again for joining me, and I will see you again next week.